Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to add someone to a WhatsApp group. First, open the WhatsApp group you want to add someone to. Then, tap on the group name at the top and this will open up the group info screen where you'll have to simply scroll down and you will see a list of the current participants under members. Simply tap on add members button here. Now, your contact list will open up. Simply search for the person you want to add by typing their name in the search bar. So search for the person you want to add by typing their name in the search bar or just scroll through and find them. Then tap on their name to select them. You can select multiple people at once if you want to add more than one person. Now, once you've selected everyone you want to add, simply tap the green check mark or add members button at the bottom and the group chat will show a message saying you added them. Now, if you want to add someone who isn't in your contacts, you can also do that via an invite link. Go back to the group info screen, scroll down and tap invite via link or QR code. It will open up this page where you can simply copy this link and share this with anyone you want. Once they tap the link, they'll be added to the group automatically. So that's how you add someone to a WhatsApp group. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.